Today, Brian is showing us how to play Zigzag. Zigzag is an exciting addition-subtraction game for two people. It is the perfect game for first through third graders. To play Zigzag, you will need the Zigzag Game board and a coin and a helper sheet for every player. Now, the object of the game is for the players to reach the finish row by adding or subtracting 3 numbers rolled on 3 dice. The challenge, though, is that you have to zigzag to the finish. See, to start, each player is given 1 coin as a marker and a helper sheet to record calculations. Each player places their coins in the start area, and the players decide who will go first. The first player rolls 3 dice and adds or subtracts the numbers in an attempt to match any number on the first row of the game board. Players can use the helper sheets to keep track of the different combinations. For example, if a 2, 3, and 4 are rolled, the player could make 1, 3, 5, or 9. In this example, if the player selected a 9, 2 plus 3 plus 4, the coin should be placed on the 9 in the first row. Now, once the coin has been placed on the number in the first row, the players can only move to an adjacent square, moving forward, sideways, or diagonally. For instance, if the coin is on the 9 in the first row, the player could move sideways to either the 6 or the 4, move forward to the 8, or diagonally to the 1 or the 10. If the player cannot make one of those numbers, this player's turn is over. Players cannot go to a space that is already occupied. The first person to reach the finish row is the winner. Brian, why is a game like Zigzag beneficial for first through third graders?
Well, while it may seem simple, a game like Zigzag can really help children to develop their algebraic reasoning skills. Using the help sheets is a good idea because they allow students to actually visualize each combination of the numbers. Using 3 numbers generates a world of possibilities. Children are going to have to perform many sets of calculations in order to play the game. Keep this in mind. Children don't always check their work. Encourage them to use their helper sheet and watch for children who only use addition. Gently encourage them to try using subtraction. Sometimes kids get frustrated when they fall way behind. Here's a rule you may want to incorporate to alleviate that situation. If a player is 3 rows behind their opponent, that player can jump into the row directly below the opponent, provided they can find a combination of the 3 numbers that equals a number in that row. That makes the game fun for everyone.
Great tips! Zigzag is another winner you're going to want to include in your family's game night.